Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating and using Facebook avatars, a new feature on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Before you start this, make sure that your Facebook app is up to date on the latest version. This is how you create a Facebook avatar. Launch the Facebook app. Tap the menu button at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and then click on See More. Select Avatars. You will now be taken through the avatar creation process. Start by selecting your skin tone. From here, you can click the mirror button to automatically try to convert your face to an avatar, or you can select each customization option manually. Once you have finished editing your body, you can also try out different outfits. Once you are finished creating, tap the tick at the top right of the screen to save it. Your avatar is now created and you can start using it on Facebook and Messenger. Tap this button to set the avatar as your profile picture. Tap the stickers button to see a list of stickers you can use with your avatar, and tap the pen button to go back into editing your avatar. You can use your avatar in emojis and stickers like you would any other emoji. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.